Hello, students. Today in Writer's Workshop, we are writing the conclusion paragraph to our essay. Now, a conclusion paragraph really has two different ingredients, we'll call them. One is the conclusion thesis, and the other is something we call the final thought. Now, to write the conclusion thesis, what we want to do is take our original thesis and write it in a different way. It's going to have some of the same ideas. It should definitely have mentioned the three subtopics from the original thesis, but we're going to talk about them in a different way. We're going to reword it. So for my original thesis statement, I said birds, that was my topic, are intelligent animals demonstrated by their ability to save energy, that was subtopic number 1, navigate, and communicate while migrating. So I had my three subtopics in there: saving energy, navigation, and communication. In my conclusion thesis, I'm going to start it with the words "in conclusion" that signals to my reader that my essay is ending. And I said, birds, like pilots, use intelligent techniques to travel. One of these techniques is flying in a skein or V formation. This formation helps migratory birds conserve energy for long flights and allows the flock to navigate to their seasonal home and communicate with one another. So there I have mentioned my three subtopics, but I reworded it in a little bit of a different way. And then I talk about that claim that I made that they're intelligent animals. And I said, such advanced techniques can prove to us that migratory birds are not only pretty to look at, but are also intelligent creatures. I want to state my claim again in the conclusion thesis. Now, the last ingredient is something that I like to call, and sometimes you'll hear it called, the final thought. And the final thought is something that you can get a little more creative with, but it's something that you will leave your reader with and make them think about something that they have read. So my final thought asks my reader to do something. So the next time you look up into the sky in the fall and see migratory birds flying south in this formation, you can appreciate the intelligence required for such an advanced technique. So our final thought asks our reader to think about something or suggests to our reader to do something. And that is usually the last sentence of our research essay. I look forward to reading all of your conclusion paragraphs, especially to see how you restated your conclusion thesis and what kind of final thoughts you are asking me, your reader, to think about.